The India Meteorological Department has forecast rains accompanied by lightning in isolated places in Kerala till September 14th. Strong winds up to speeds of 40 to 50 km per hour are expected to blow over the central eastern Arabian Sea. As a precaution, the department has sounded a yellow alert in Ernakulam, Idukki, Palakkad, Kozhikode, Wayanad, Kannur and Kasaragod districts on Sunday. On Saturday, Kozhikode, Kannur and Kasaragod were under yellow alert. According to the Met Department, a low-pressure trough that has formed over the central West Bay of Bengal, away from the Andhra-Odisha coast, has been acquiring strength, causing the rainfalls. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.